Hi, it's Anna from Precursive. Welcome to Feature Focus. In this short video, I will show you how to do resource allocation using Precursive. So let's jump right into it. Let's say we've got a new piece of work. It's called Resource Allocation Project. One of the first things we'd want to do is to assign some resources. Let's begin with phase one of this project. Precursive allows us to assign either a named individual or request a role to a project. So let's start with a particular person. I know that Alex will work on this project with me. I want to schedule some time for her. She's going to work from the 4th until the 8th, the whole working week. And it will be full time. It's also confirmed. But I also need a project manager. I just don't know who exactly would be available, so let me make a request and schedule some time for this person. Right. It's also going to be full-time, confirmed, save and finish. Now let's have a look at the project in Precursive Plan. So this is where we can see all the bookings with resources assigned to it from a variety of projects. You can change the view to month or quarter. As you can see, it's pretty busy, hard to find any projects. So I'm going to use this filter function to look up what I'm interested in. Resource allocation done. Apply. And it picked up my project. We can see that we've got Alex assigned to it. It's 8 hours per day in November, but we also had that request for project manager. So let's go to request mode, which is going to show all the requests that have been made recently. And we've got mine. Let's assign it to someone. It's going to pick up automatically all project managers from my org. So I can see that there's a few of them. But I also know that my project manager should have experience in big data management as well. So let's see. It's Bella. Bella is my person. Let's assign it to her. Here we go. But we can see that Bella's quite overworked, capacity at over 176% this week. So maybe we could right click and reassign this booking to someone else who's less busy. Let's assign it to John. Here we go. That's it. Now let's find my project again. And so that I don't have to do it all over again from scratch next time, I'm going to save this view. There we go. And here it is. Projects with all the bookings assigned. Now from here we can start manipulating the bookings. So if we right click on it, we can decide to repeat them. We can decide to split long bookings. We can decide to move it. And so on. Thanks for your time. I hope this is easy enough. Have a great day, and until the next time.